Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Weed Warrior Trimmer Head is probably one of the most innovative and efficient tools you can add to your lawn care arsenal, designed to tackle even the most stubborn weeds and overgrown grass with unparalleled ease and speed, making your yard work less of a chore and more of a satisfying accomplishment. Number 5. Weed Warrior Push and Load Nylon Replacement Blades. When regular trimmer line just isn't enough, you need a better solution. These durable and flexible nylon replacement blades are designed for quick changes, ensuring you get the job done efficiently. Your weed whacker might be tough, but its blades wear down over time. These high-quality nylon replacements will get your equipment back to peak performance, tackling any yard work with ease. These blades are designed to fit multiple trimmer heads, including Push and Load 3-blade, Pivotrim Hybrid, and Ugly Head Hybrid 2N1 models. We offer a variety of parts to keep your equipment running smoothly. Designed to meet the demanding needs of professional landscapers, these parts are built to high standards. Find the perfect replacement for your trimmer or weed whacker. We manufacture high-quality accessories for your weed whacker, engineered for extreme toughness. Our extensive research and field testing ensure reliable performance when you need it most. Weed Warrior provides universal fit trimmer line, heads, and accessories. Trust our commitment to quality and durability for all your lawn care needs. What we like. These nylon blades offer a quick and easy way to swap out for your trimmer head. If you frequently encounter varied cutting tasks and need to switch between line and blades efficiently, these are a great choice. They are ideal for users who prioritize speed and convenience in their yard maintenance. What people say. The Weed Warrior trimmer head is incredibly easy to install, saving you time and hassle. It features a durable design that holds up well to tough trimming jobs, ensuring longevity. The unique line feeding system makes reloading trimmer line a breeze, keeping you working without interruption. Number 4. Weed Warrior Brush Cutter Replacement Blades, 3-count, basic. Introducing our durable metal blades, designed with sharp, serrated edges. They effortlessly cut through thick weeds and dense brush, meeting ANSI safety standards for your peace of mind. When the job demands toughness, these high-quality replacement blades are your solution. They'll get your trimmer back to peak performance after wear and tear. These blades offer broad compatibility with Weed Warrior, Shakespeare, and Rino Tuff brush cutter trimmer heads. We also offer a range of universal fit parts for your needs. Built to the high standards required by professional landscapers, our parts are designed for demanding use. Find the perfect replacement for your trimmer or weed whacker. We manufacture high-quality, universal fit accessories built for extreme toughness. Years of research and development ensure reliability in the lab and in the field. What we like. For those heavy-duty jobs, these serrated metal blades are designed to power through dense brush and thick weeds. If your property has overgrown areas or you need to tackle tough vegetation, this is the attachment you'll want. It's perfect for tackling the most challenging cutting tasks with confidence. What people say. This trimmer head is a game-changer for my yard work. It attaches easily and handles thick weeds like a champ. The design allows for quick line changes, which saves a lot of time. I was skeptical at first, but this Weed Warrior head exceeded my expectations. It's incredibly durable and makes trimming around obstacles a breeze. The string feeds smoothly, preventing frustrating tangles. Number 3. Weed Warrior Autowinder 2 Replacement Bump Head. Tired of struggling to load trimmer line? This replacement bump head allows for easy line loading without opening the head. Simply insert the line and crank the knob. This replacement part is designed for a universal fit, accommodating both gas-powered and cordless trimmers. It works with a wide range of line diameters, making it incredibly versatile. No matter the brand of your string trimmer, this bump head is likely compatible. It works with major brands like Echo, Stihl, Husqvarna, and many more. Built to the high standards demanded by professional landscapers, this part is designed for extreme toughness. It's the reliable replacement you need for demanding jobs. Weed Warrior is dedicated to manufacturing high-quality, universal fit accessories. Our products are built for extreme toughness through years of research and development. What we like. This replacement bump head simplifies the process of reloading trimmer line. If you're tired of fumbling with complicated loading mechanisms, this product offers a user-friendly solution. It's designed for anyone looking for a hassle-free way to keep their trimmer running. What people say. The Weed Warrior trimmer head is a great replacement for my old one. It was easy to install and works perfectly. I love how easy it is to load the line into this trimmer head. No more fumbling around with tiny pieces. This trimmer head is very durable and has held up well to a lot of use. It's a great value for the price. Number 2. FourShow replacement blades for Weed Warrior trimmer heads. Introducing our replacement blades, crafted from high-quality PA6 nylon for exceptional durability. These blades are designed to withstand tough trimming tasks, ensuring a long-lasting performance for your equipment. To maximize their lifespan, we recommend soaking these blades in warm water the night before use. This simple step helps to condition the material, making them more resilient and extending their usability. These blades are specifically designed as replacements for Weed Warrior push and load 3-blade trimmer heads and Pivotrim hybrid 2N1 heads. They are compatible with model numbers 70289A and 14867B, ensuring a seamless fit. Each pack contains 30 nylon blades, providing you with an ample supply for multiple uses. Keep your trimmer running efficiently with this convenient and cost-effective pack. Enjoy broad compatibility with a wide range of gas and cordless trimmers. They fit models from Echo, Ryobi, and DeWalt, as well as any trimmer with a 5/16-inch pin diameter. Replacing your old blades is straightforward with these designed-to-fit spares. Simply install them into your compatible trimmer head and get back to tackling your yard work with ease. What we like. Get a substantial amount of replacement blades with this large pack. If you go through trimmer blades frequently or want to stock up for the season, this offers excellent value. It's a smart option for budget-conscious users who need a reliable supply of blades. What people say. The Weed Warrior trimmer head is a game-changer for lawn care. Its innovative design allows for quick and easy line changes, saving valuable time and effort. The durable construction ensures it can withstand tough trimming jobs, making it a reliable tool for any homeowner. I was impressed by the Weed Warrior trimmer head's performance. It effortlessly tackles thick weeds and overgrown grass, leaving a clean and precise cut. The universal fit makes it compatible with most string trimmers, adding to its versatility. The Weed Warrior trimmer head has exceeded my expectations. It's incredibly easy to install and use, even for beginners. The efficient line feeding system prevents tangles and ensures a continuous cutting experience. This trimmer head has made yard work so much more manageable. Number 1. Pivotrim Rino Tuff Universal Hybrid Trimmer Head. Introducing the Rino Tuff Hybrid Trimmer Head. This versatile tool allows you to switch between trimmer line for lawns and blades for light brush, making it perfect for maintaining most lawn types. Designed to work with 0.095-inch trimmer line, you can use various brands with this head. Simply cut, loop, and use the line until it's worn out. Our innovative swivel heads are engineered to protect the trimmer line. They absorb shock when encountering obstacles like fences or concrete, extending the life of your line. Replacing the head is a breeze. With the included converter rings, no tools are needed for a fast and easy installation. Just screw it on and you're ready to tackle any job. This universal head is compatible with a wide range of popular gas trimmer brands. It's designed for maximum convenience and broad applicability across many models. What we like. This versatile head offers a hybrid system, allowing you to switch between trimmer line and blades with ease. If you manage a variety of lawn types and occasional brush, this is the perfect all-in-one solution. Its ability to absorb shock also makes it ideal for users who trim near fences or hard surfaces. What people say. The Weed Warrior trimmer head is a great replacement for my old one. It was easy to install and works perfectly. I love how easy it is to load the line into this trimmer head. No more struggling with tangled string. This trimmer head is very durable and has held up well to heavy use. It makes trimming my lawn a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.